So number 6 is something that is not, I don't believe it's on the exam, but it's still a really good skill to do, and that is polynomial division. So I'm going to use my spare sheet of paper for number 6. It said 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 18x minus 8 divided by x minus 4. And the way polynomial division works is we are working to divide x minus 4 into 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 18x minus 8. But when it comes to dividing x minus 4 in, really all that we pay attention to is that first term x. So let's work through this. It goes just like regular long division. 2x cubed divided by x. 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. Now we take that and we multiply it to both these terms. So 2x cubed minus 8x squared. And then we actually subtract these two, just like polynomial or regular long division. So we subtract, we get 0, we subtract, and a negative minus, so a negative and a minus become positive. So this becomes positive 8x squared. So positive 5x squared. And then we just keep the pattern rolling. We drop everything down and we do the exact same thing. So the process goes divide by x, multiply, subtract. All right, and then you go back to the top and do it again. So 5x squared divided by x. 5x squared divided by x is 5x. And then we multiply 5x times x, 5x squared. 5x times negative 4, negative 20x. We put a minus sign out front because we are subtracting. These two cancel out. Minus a negative becomes positive, and minus 18x plus 20x becomes positive 2x. All right, subtract the 8. Just like everything keeps dropping down. All right, back to divide by x. 2x divided by x is 2. Multiply. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Subtract that whole thing. 2x minus 2x is 0. Minus a negative becomes plus. And we are done because our final outcome was a 0. So to answer this question fully, we say that this equals 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. And that is number 5. I'm going to go ahead and jump to number 9. I'm sorry, that's number 6. I'm going to jump to number 9 because it asks you to do the same thing. It asks you to divide again. So number 9 says, please and kindly divide x cubed minus 2x squared minus 9x plus 18. And please divide this by x plus 3. So we're gonna repeat this process. Divide by x, because that's the first term, multiply, and then subtract. X cubed divided by x, x squared. Multiply, x squared times x, x cubed, x squared times 3, 3x. Subtract. These two cancel out to be 0. Remember, that's a minus right there. We have minus 5. Whoa, I made an error. There we go. Minus 5x squared. Drop everything else down. Minus 9x plus 18. All right, in case you can't see that, that is minus 5x squared. All right, negative 5x squared divided by x. Negative 5x. So now we multiply. Negative 5x times x, negative 5x squared. Negative 5x times 3, negative 15x. Put a minus sign out front. Subtract it all. When we subtract it all, our first terms cancel out. minus a negative becomes positive. So we've got negative 9x plus 15x. That becomes 6, positive 6x. Then we drop down to 18. Last round, 6x divided by x, 6. 6 times x, 6x. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract. And oh my goodness, this time everything cancels out. So our final answer for number 9 should be x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now, just a quick reminder, 6 and 9 were removed from what we call priority standards. So I am unsure if that means they are still removed from the exam, but they were removed when we taught these units. So these are great skills to have. However, they might not be actually on the exam. So while I do want you to have these skills, prioritize the other problems.